Hey everyone, creating one design for Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. Here's how to resize your Canva design for any platforms instantly. Let's get started. First, open your finished design in Canva and on the top menu, click Resize. It's available in Canva Pro users. Then here choose the platform you want, like Instagram story or YouTube thumbnail or Facebook post. Then select multiple sizes if you need more than one and then click copy and resize. Canva will duplicate your design in correct dimensions. No need to redo everything. And check the new design adjusts the text or elements to fit perfectly. Now you can post consistently across all your social media platforms. And that's how you resize designs in Canva for any platforms in seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.